Better.
Lots of fun on radar right now. As we expected, some snow. Now, it's March, typically our snowiest month, so what a great way to start the month off, right?
Well, here we are.
Here we go.
Here we
First
go.
day.
Yep, more to come. Here's a look right now from Denver. You can see the dark skies off to the west, and we've already got a band of snow moving over the I-25 corridor. Right now in Denver, mainly just cloud cover. Boulder, kind of the same situation, but we're starting to see some flurries and some light snow in the foothills. Blackhawk picking up a little bit of snow, and as you can see on radar, things are starting to get a little bit darker. We've got a line from Conifer through Evergreen, Idaho Springs up toward Boulder, Longmont, Brighton. So if you are heading north, you're going to start to see some snow along I-25. If you're heading west, you've been seeing it all morning long. Erie, Longmont, Fort Lupton, Platteville, all looking at some snow at this point. Light snow developing, and it looks like we're going to see some probably slightly stronger bands move through this afternoon. West on I-70, Genesee to Idaho Springs, all the way to the tunnel, and then west through the tunnel, you're going to find heavier snow. It's going to be west of the tunnel where we get a good 1 to maybe even 2 feet by tomorrow. Here's a big look at the picture at our satellite radar. As you can see, that snow starting to develop right across northeastern Colorado. Unfortunately, I think this makes for a probably tricky commute tonight. We talked about it this morning, the potential for around 1 to 3 inches of snow in Denver. Those numbers probably a little closer to about 2 to 4. And in some areas, if we get a couple of stronger, heavier bands, it could be even a touch more. Kind of Palmer Divide, foothills areas, some of those higher elevations that typically get maybe a little more. So we've got a winter weather advisory in place for the entire metro area, in effect through the afternoon for that 2 to 4 inches of snow, and again a little bit more with a couple of bands. So timing wise, not great for our evening commute or tomorrow morning's commute. Here's how the planner looks. By noon, we're at 40 degrees in some neighborhoods. By 2 o'clock, 35. By 5 o'clock, we're dropping closer to freezing. So most likely, the currents that we're seeing are going to be our highs for the day. In fact, we talked about hitting highs right around noon, right around lunchtime, and that's exactly what we're going to see. Upper 30s, low 40s within the next hour or so, and then colder air settling in behind that. I'll start your Futurecast at 12 o'clock, and again, it's going to be pretty active already right along the Front Range between about 2 to 3 o'clock, most likely getting snow across most of the metro area, Denver, Brighton, Longmont, Boulder. Definitely in the foothills by that point. The drive on the west side of town, C470, definitely trickier by 3, 5 o'clock tonight. You're going to see snow continuing through the evening hours into early tomorrow morning. Probably heavier tonight than what we'll see tomorrow, but tomorrow we're still going to see some cloud cover, and even by noon on Friday, some of our most recent model runs keeping some of that light snow in the forecast. So it's going to be, again, a pretty good taste of fall with about 2 to 6 inches of snow possible in some spots when all is said and done. Mostly cloudy tonight, a colder morning, temperatures right around 25 degrees early tomorrow, and a high of just about 30 to 35 degrees. Pretty cold on Friday. Gradual clearing through the afternoon, then the weekend settles in. It's the weekend, it's already a good thing, and then we've got 50s to mix in with that, so it should be pretty nice both Saturday, Sunday. Sunday looks to be the warmer of the 2 days.
All right.
Cool.